Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could edit and create sales funnels in your system.ai back office. Okay, so this is my back office. And then these are the different options. You could save the funnel step. You could edit page. You create a change page template. Okay, so in this case, we're going to go to edit funnel. Okay, so this is one of the funnel templates. Okay, so we're gonna go in here and change all this. Okay, and we're gonna put free video reveals how a veteran made $300 per day. All right, and then you could change all of this as well. You could bold it, and then you could also change the font. So we're gonna let's see, we're gonna change this font, and well, I guess we could go ahead and unbold it. All right, so we'll just leave it like that. And then also you could change the button as well too. So we're gonna change that right now. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and let's see. We're gonna go ahead and mess around with the buttons as well. So we could change the padding, the bottom, top, left, right, and let's see, go with 12 here. So we'll make it a more circular pattern. Okay, and make that also 12. Okay, so that starts starting to look better already. And then let's see. And then we'll just go down here. And then we could also change the font size of the send me training video, and we could also change that out. It's pretty easy to do. So we'll put watch free video, and then we could change the font size here. All right, and then we could also change out the background as well too. Okay, so we're going to change that out now. Let's see, we don't have any files here. We could go into Pixabay. All right, so pixabay.com, we type in luxury. So this is just an example here. Type in, let's see, we'll go to luxury house. Let's see what we got here. We'll just go with this one for now, just for time restraints here. And then we'll go ahead and download the image. I am not a robot. Okay, so we'll go back to, let me see, the editor here. And then select file. So we have this one selected, and then we're just going to insert here. And then you could also adjust it. And you could also remove those borders as well too. So let's see here. We could choose no color. I prefer it that way. And then you can just leave the rounded corners. You can set it up that way. Okay, so free video reveals how a veteran made $300 per day. And then enter your name, your email, and then you could put watch free video. Okay, so that's just for an example of what you could do. And then you could save changes. Okay, and then what you could do, let's see, you could put create. So this is your thank you page, and then you could just put create next step, and that is your sales video. I'll just label it sales video, and then choose step type. Okay, so squeeze page, pop up, sales page, thank you page, upsell, downsell, webinar. So in this case, we're gonna put sales page here, and then this is what you come up with here. So in this case, this looks good enough, so I'll choose this one because it has like a plain background. All right, and once again, you'll go to your edit page. Okay, and then so with this, I do recommend for your bridge page putting in a video of yourself. Okay, so you could just put this in here, and then like before, you could go ahead and then just change everything up. Go down here, and then make that red because it stands out more. And then all this, of course, you could just click on it, change it out, and that's about it. Now, you could all do this for free. Okay, now if you want to get started for free, go ahead and click the link below. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.